guys, Mike Moser back bringing you Coolest Friday today. Boy, do I have something messy and cool. It's a slimy flip. And I got it from this restaurant where my mother good, and it was awesome. So they had a lot of machines. So here's how it works. So you stretch it, and if you want to put it around or something, and
we still have the Green Hornet. It's probably going to be over soon. If you want to watch it. Then it's 7. Never mind.
oh, if you like my videos, please please give me 5 stars. I really appreciate it. See those 5 stars? And if you want to see all my videos, press that button over there. Yeah, see that button? And hey, get away! Hey, get away! And you'll see tons of my videos. They'll be awesome. So don't forget to subscribe.